Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my St. Patrick's Day themed Pandora bracelet. And I asked on Instagram if you guys would like to see a fast, quick little video about this bracelet, that's easy for me to edit and upload before it's St. Patrick's Day. And I got a ton of messages on Instagram back from you guys saying, yes, we'd love to see something. So here it is. So this is the bracelet, and I do have it on the Tan Pandora sliding bracelet, which is so beautiful. I got this back in the summertime, and I've been wearing it a ton with tons of different design ideas and concepts and themes, and it's just so wearable, and it's actually held up really well. My experience with the sliding bracelet thus far has been really good. In fact, I actually just ordered the silver sliding bracelet, which I'm really excited for. And if you guys want to see a proper in-depth review of the sliding bracelet, let me know. I'll be happy to share that with you. Now onto the charms that I have on here. So the one that I have somewhat in the center, of course, is this beautiful Shamrock Murano. And I just love this because you need a pop of green in your outfit, right? Especially with St. Patrick's Day. And of course, you need some right here. You need some green tea. I'm actually having some matcha green tea, which I'm really, really enjoying. Now, this charm represents my family, and a lot of my cousins, aunts, they have this charm because we all have a little bit of Irish in us. It's part of our roots, so I think that's really fun and cool. And I love that I have a charm that a lot of them have too, because it's neat. It's neat and special to have something like that. It makes us all kind of connected, and a little special reminder of each other on our bracelets, which I think is really cool. Now, the next charm that is over here is a new addition. I actually got this on a shopping trip with Nicole, so stay tuned for some videos about that. I had an amazing time with Nicole. And this is like a sneak peek, I guess, because we got quite a lot of retired charms together. But this is the little 4-leaf clover. It's all silver, and it's beautifully detailed. It has so much beautiful accents on it and little touches. I just love it. It's so pretty and in such good condition, too. So I love that. Now, opposite of the Murano, I have this cute little gnome. He's so sweet, and he's holding a little clover, which I just love. It's so sweet, and he has the cutest little expression and a little hat on his face, and he kind of made me think of a leprechaun. And I got this idea to put him on when I was looking at the clover, but then I also feel like Nicole on one of her St. Patrick's Day theme bracelets had him on, and I'm like, that's such a cute idea. I'm pretty sure it was Nicole. So little inspiration from my Pandora Charmed Life too, because he's so cute, and he's a perfect little leprechaun for this bracelet. Now, heading over to the other side now, we do have a charm that you've seen many times. It's been part of my collection for a while, but it's that Holy Cross charm. And it is just so beautiful. It has a little bit of cubic zirconia details and a heart in the center of the cross. And this was part of a spring Easter release that Pandora did many years back. Now, of course, St. Patrick's Day, I'm Christian Catholic, so I have a little cross to represent my faith and all of that. And then last but not least are two new additions as well. Although I got these from Rulala through Nicole, I got two of the Sunburst clips with a little bit of two-tone gold on the front and on the back of them, and they're beautiful. And now I don't know about your guys' area, although I've lived in a couple different parts of Canada, and it seems that whenever it's St. Patrick's Day, it's beautiful, or around St. Patrick's Day, it's a beautiful sunny day, and it feels like spring is really starting to blossom, and the sun is out and the flowers are blooming. So I thought these clips would be perfect on there just to represent that cheerful, fresh load of spring kind of coming in full force. So I really love that as well. And that's basically it. That's my St. Patrick's Day theme bracelet. I truly love how it's turned out. I've been wearing it a ton. I've been already wearing it this week at work, and I mean, that's why you guys saw it on my Instagram stories. It's just so fun, and I love it on the sliding bracelet. It's so easy to take on and put off, and it's just been super fun and very wearable. And that's it for this quick little video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. I actually do have 2 exciting videos coming out, which I mentioned. So that'll be my Sleeping Beauty themed video, which is a design with me in a Shop Disney haul. And then there's another very special surprise in that video, which I'm really excited for. So you'll have to stay tuned to see what it is. And then I do have a video that's going to be coming out with my shopping trip with Nicole, which was super, super fun. Oh, and as well as a guinea pig bangle theme design with me. So stay tuned for those videos. They're going to be coming up throughout the next couple of weeks. Anyway, take care, you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.